In today's video, we've got a bunch of awesome cruise trivia for you. And we're going to finally draw for the winner of our big $100 Carnival Cruise giveaway. So we hope you entered because we've got the names in the magic cruise bowl right here. And we're going to be drawing in just a few minutes. You had 6 chances to enter. There were 6 trivia questions spread across 6 videos. And hopefully you entered, and we wish you luck. But first of all, let's tell you the answers to those 6 questions.
Okay.
So the first one we'll talk about, not necessarily in order that we aired these, but from actually I think the most recent one we did was the Alaskan Cruise on Norwegian Jewel episode. Alaskan Cruise on Norwegian Jewel. We had a trivia question you could have used to enter, and that question was,
where did pub 687 on the Disney Dream get its name?
okay, and what were the possible answers?
The possible answers were from the street address of Disneyland, from the Disney Dreams hall number, from the number of crew on board.
Okay, those were your possible choices. If you don't know the answer, you can try to guess now. Maybe you already sent in your answer, but Joy's going to tell you what the correct answer is.
From the Disney Dreams hall number.
So hopefully you got that right. Yeah, 687 was the name, or yeah, the name of the whole number before it actually had its official name. Next, from our Best Cruise Snacks episode, we had this question.
What part of cruise ship is often referred to as I-95?
Yeah, so what part of a cruise ship referred to as I-95? What are the possible answers?
The possible answers are the bridge, the main crew corridor, or the area where passengers board.
Okay. What do you think the answer is, everybody? So Joy's going to tell you what the correct answer is. Hopefully you said
the main crew corridor.
Yeah, that's the main hallway that a lot of the food and other important items and the crew, as the name indicates, moves through the ship.
Exactly.
Yes. Next, from our Carnival Cruise trivia episode, we had this question.
Remy, the Disney Cruise Line specialty restaurant, gets its name from which movie?
What are the choices?
The choices are Beauty and the Beast, Cars, or Ratatouille.
Well, we know this one. Come on. You don't remember? I know this one's a great movie. And the answer is?
Oh, yeah. Ratatouille.
That's right. Remy the Rat.
I thought it was in Beauty and the Beast.
No. There was definitely a lot of kitchen-related items, characters in that one, but not the correct answer.
Exactly.
From our cruise ship activities episode, I think the very first one that we had an opportunity for you to enter this drawing, we had this question.
Which ship was planned for Costa Cruises?
Or Costa Cruises.
Thank you. But was ultimately delivered to Carnival Cruise Line.
Which ship was planned for Costa Cruises, but ultimately delivered to Carnival? What's the choices?
The choices are Carnival Sunshine, Carnival Splendor, Carnival Victory.
So what do you think the answer is? Do you know the answer? Joy, what is the answer?
Carnival Splendor.
That's right. And now from our Cruising from Port Canaveral episode, where we talked about how much we love Port Canaveral, it's our port of choice, we had this question.
The Song of Norway was which cruise line's first cruise ship?
Yeah, the Song of Norway. The Song of Norway. First cruise ship for which cruise line? What are your choices?
Oh, the choices are Carnival Cruise Line, Norwegian Cruise Line, or Royal Caribbean.
You remember the answer?
Yeah, I think it wasn't the obvious one.
It wasn't the obvious one. The correct answer is actually
Royal Caribbean.
yeah. So
it's not Norwegian Cruise
no,
Line.
Norwegian Cruise Line doesn't have a copyright on the word Norway. I think that belongs to the good people of Norway, if anybody.
Yeah.
But okay, let's see. I think we have about one more here from our top 10 Royal Caribbean food scores. Speaking of Royal Caribbean, from that episode with our 10 choices for Royal Caribbean food, we had this question.
Who is both the godmother of the Disney Dream as well as a former cast member of the Disney Wonder?
Choices were?
Choices were singer Demi Lovato, actress Emily Blunt, singer Jennifer Hudson.
Those are your choices. Do you remember what the correct answer was? Do you know what the correct answer is?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
It's been so long ago.
Well, I'll tell you that the godmother of the Disney Dream and former cast member of the Disney Wonder was a female. Is a female. And her name is?
Singer Jennifer Hudson. Oh.
That's right. That's right. So those are all of the questions that we had for you that you could use to enter with. Some of you understood and figured out that you could enter more than once. And some of you maybe didn't enter. So hopefully we'll do another drawing in the future and give you another chance. If you didn't, hopefully you enjoyed the trivia question. But now is the big moment.
It's a big, exciting moment.
It's what we've been waiting for.
Yes.
Drawing from the Cruise Bowl. Wow, that makes my face look really weird. Okay. Drawing from the Cruise Bowl. And it's messing up the focus too. But let's go ahead and draw with the funnel in the background. Seems appropriate. But go ahead and draw one slip. Mixing it up.
Yep.
Grabbing one slip. Is that too high for you? Okay.
I'm so excited.
Uh-huh.
You need a drum roll.
The winner is Chris Schuck. Chris Schuck is our winner. Congratulations. We will be in contact with you to let you know how you can get your $100 Carnival Cruise credit. And to everybody else who entered, we want to thank you for entering. For those of you that didn't enter this time, keep the watch out. We'll probably do another drawing sometime in the future.
Will. Yeah.
But we want to thank you for watching. And we also always thank you for what? For joining
the Cruise Day Fun.
That's right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.